welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be covering two tools, namely the hand and the print tiling tool. These two tools we don't usually use so much, but they come in handy whenever possible. Right, okay, so I'll first open this document. Feel free to choose any document of your choice. For this video I have chosen this A4 size document, and I've given a name to my document as well, namely the hand and the print tiling tool. So just in case if you guys are not able to see all these tools right here on your screen, make sure that the Essential Classics options has been switched on from this drop down box below. Alright, so I'll first start by making some shapes on our artboard, right? So you can make any shape you like from these geometric shapes. So I'll start like that. I'll make one over here and probably spin this a little like that. And I'll choose some other shape now, like that. And okay. So you'll see in a moment why as to I've been making these shapes. So let's also give different colors to our shapes. Right. So you'll see in a second. Let's take orange. And I'll give these two colors the same. I'll choose blue. Okay. So for example, if I zoom in to our document like that, and I want to see or edit some of the shapes that I had made earlier on the top. Right. So to do that, we'll be using the help of this hand tool right here. And because this tool literally looks like a hand with 5 fingers, and the shortcut key for this tool is the letter H. So if we click on this tool and if we just click and drag our mouse like that, the hand tool will actually help us pull our document upwards or in the direction we are pulling it in. So you can see like that. So this is a little time taking, but with the help of this tool, you can move the document around however you want and make the necessary changes like that. Alright, so we'll come back to our selection tool by clicking on the letter V and come back to our original size like that. Okay, so now let's see what the print tiling tool does is that if we click on this once and we can just click and drag like that, or just move these dotted shapes around like that, and probably move it even further like that to fit our document approximately like that. Okay, so if we go to file and click on print, so you see these dotted lines right here. So what the print tiling tool does is that it will determine the space that will get printed. Right, so this more or less covers the entire page, but it's getting a little chopped out from the top. So you can play around with it to see which one actually suits best for your document, or probably just move your shapes around like that. Right. Or if we just click on the scaling option right here and just say fit to page. So now this looks a lot better and these dotted lines actually cover the entire document. Right. So we can just click on that and click on done, and that's it. So only this white portion of a document will get printed if we give a direct command. Right. So this was the print tiling tool. So we can this tool comes in handy, especially if you want to just directly print a document or an illustration that you've made directly to the printer. So this saves you a lot of time. You don't have to personally save it first and then get it printed. But in case if you don't want to take any risks either, you can also go ahead and save your document by going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, our documents will be saved as a Adobe Illustrator file. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format just in case. So if we have to make any further changes, we can easily access our Adobe Illustrator file and then just click on Save. Other than that, you can also save your document in a JPEG format if you like by going to File again, Export and Export As. So by default, you should see the Save As type to be as JPEG. But in case if you don't, just click on this drop down box below and click on JPEG and click on Export. And that's it. So I hope you found this video to be useful. And as you can see, the hand and the print tiling tool is extremely easy to use and one of the most simplest tools in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you found this video to be useful and thank you for watching.